tragic road crash on the night of July the 7th, 2006 claimed the lives of 15 people. We previously reported 14, meaning one more has passed on and left 24 others seriously injured at Bobi along the Kampala Highway in Mourns district. According to a preliminary police report shared by Member of Parliament Anton Akol, the collision involved unpaid travelers bus and a trailer. The 15 individuals who lost their lives have been identified as Abdul Ismail, 55 years old, who is the bus driver, Umar Ahmad Hussein, who is a trailer driver from Kenya, Ahmad Haden, trailer passenger from Mombasa, Kenya, Aguti Justin Jesse, 23 years old, passenger, resident of Koch Goma, Noa district, Ojok Bosco, who is 60 years old, bus passenger, resident of Gulu Public, Laibi, Gulu City, Ajok Harriet, 40 years, bus passenger, resident of Commercial Road, Gulu City, Odoch Stanley Uhuru, 37, bus passenger, resident of Peche, Laro, Gulu City, Opio Rose, 41, bus passenger, resident of Laro, Gulu City, Ausi Justin, 28, bus passenger, resident of Kochongao, Mourns district, Ojok John Paul, 49, bus passenger, resident of Gulu City, Odong Walter Hu, 37, bus passenger, resident of Koch Oyaro, Mourns district, Watmon John, 78 years old, bus passenger, resident of Ongago Koch Goma, Ginyara Godfrey Achire, 35, bus passenger, resident of Laibi Gulu City, Manihiro Philip, 30, bus passenger, resident of Tegwana, Gulu City, Kadara Musamin, 38, bus passenger, resident of Kirombe, Laibi, Gulu City. Among the 24 injured individuals, police have identified the following victims. Lamwara Harriet, 28, is injured, who is a bus passenger, resident of Harefield, Badege Division, Gulu City. Daniel Wamimbi, fortunate, 26, bus passenger, Gulu University student. Angom Agnes, 20, bus passenger, resident of Alagolum, Gulu City. Anena Happy Carol, 42, bus passenger, resident of Koro, Mourns district. Lakado John Joshua, 21, bus passenger, resident of Lacho Center, Gulu City. Uribadeo, 30, bus passenger, resident of Lacho, Gulu City. Opio Martin, 32, bus passenger, resident of Tuanokun, Laro, Paje, Gulu City. Andama Charles, 49, bus passenger, resident of Karuma. Kwakech Robert, 40, bus passenger from Gulu City. Achayo Monica, 45 years old, bus passenger, resident of Laro, Paje, Gulu City. Piloya Florence, 46 years old, bus passenger, resident of Gulu City. Aya Susan, 34, bus passenger, resident of Nakasero, Gulu City. Adinan Ismail, 53, bus passenger, resident of Gulu City. Again wrote Hester, 20, bus passenger, resident of Tegwana, Pejelaro, Gulu City. Okelo Charles, 45, bus passenger, resident of Chubu, Pejelaro, Gulu City. Acheng Jacqueline, 31, bus passenger, resident of Laibi, Teko, Gulu City. Acher Susan, 27, bus passenger, resident of Paradul Camp, Mourns district. Acheng Stella, 42 years old, bus passenger, resident of Tegwana, Peje Laro, Gulu City. Limo Dennis, 25 years old, trailer passenger, resident of Eldoret in Kenya. Kasumba James, 45 years old, bus passenger, resident of Busiga, Kampala. Okay, Stephen, bus passenger, resident of Gulu City. Now, authorities continue to urge all road users to adhere strictly to traffic guidelines, avoid speeding, and practice caution to prevent similar tragedies on the way. And here at Acholi Side TV, we say, may the souls of those who have passed on, the 15, rest in eternal peace. And we wish quick recovery for those who are struggling with the painful injuries. Thank you.